Good morning, everyone. Welcome, my dear students, to the online class of maths of class 8. So, since we are already discussing about the linear equations in one variable, still we have to continue with the problems of linear equations in one variable. So, still I'm continuing with that. So let us begin our class. So 3 questions I had taken this today to discuss with you all. So let us discuss all the questions one by one, and I'll try to make you understand about the questions to you people. Okay, so here is our question. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times of Shobo's present age. So the question is quite easy, and it is saying, the statement is saying all the things. We can assume let the Shobo's age be x, so therefore the Shobo's mother's present age be 6x. It is quite easy. Okay, Shobo's age now the next statement. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So Shobo's age 5 years from now, it means after 5 years, whatever age of Shobo is going to be, that age is going to be 1/3 of the Shobo's mother's present age. It means we don't have to increase the mother's age, because it is talking about the Shobo's mother's present age only. So it is very easy question. What are their present ages? So let us solve it. So most of the things we had discussed already. Okay, so let us start. Let the Shobo's present age be x years. Therefore Shobo's mother's present age is equal to 6 years. This is very easy thing which we can do, and where we had done. So I don't think so that you people have any problem in this step. So after assuming their ages, their mother's age, his mother's age and his age. So now there is a discussion about Shobo's age after 5 years. So we had taken out the Shobo's age after 5 years, that is x plus 5 years. Let us suppose that there is a boy, his age is 10 years right now. So after 5 years, how much age is going to be his? So his age is going to be 10 plus 5, that is 15. So obviously we will have to add just 5 in the present age. So Shobo's present age is x, so I added 5 in that age, so it will become x plus 5 years. Okay, continue. Now let us see the second statement. Shobo's age 5 years from now. So what is the Shobo's age 5 years from now? Shobo's age 5 years from now is x plus 5 years. Okay, so Shobo's age 5 years from now, according to the question, will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So what is the age of his mother's present? What is the his mother's present age is 6 years, 6x years, and Shobo's age after 5 years is x plus 5 years. So the question is saying that this age x plus 5 is 1/3 of 6x. So simple, make it. So x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of 6x. I had done it. We can do it in another way also, like if we want to equate x plus 5 with 6x only. So since x plus 5 is 1/3 of 6x, it means 6x is 3 times of x plus 5. So we can multiply 3 in x plus 5 also to get the equation. So this is also correct. Okay, now moving on. So we had solved this question. So x plus 5 is equal to, now let us solve this question. 6x by 3, so we'll divide it as 6 by 3 2x. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x. 2x minus x is equal to 5, and the last x, 2x minus x, x is equal to 5 years. So we had solved this question, and therefore Shobo's present age is equal to 5 years, and Shobo's mother's present age is equal to 6x, that is 6 into 5, 30 years. So we had got the answer of this question. Okay, moving on to another question. Let us read the question first. The question says the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their edges will be 3:4. Find their percentages. It's very easy question. So the ratio of their edges, since this question is of ratio type, so let us solve it. Here is the solution. Okay, so the first statement what we had taken is, let the common factor of the given ratio be x. Therefore edge of Hari, the edges are given, edge of Hari and Harry are 5:7, so I had taken 5x. The edge of Hari is equal to 5x and the edge of Harry is equal to 7x. Okay, I had told you people earlier also that whenever we are going to solve the questions of ratio type, so we will assume that it's common factor first and then we'll just get the values of the things whatever the question is talking about. Okay, now after getting the edge of Hari and Harry in terms of x, that is 5x and 7x, now let us move according to the question. So question is talking about the edge of their edges after 4 years. So I had calculated their edges after 4 years. Edge of Hari after 4 years is equal to 5x plus 4. Edge of Harry after 4 years is equal to 7x plus 4 years. It's quite easy. I don't think so that you will have any problem. It's simple stuff. After 4 years you have to calculate the edge. So whatever edge is to right now, just add 4 in that. So their edges right now is 5x. It means present edge is 5x and 7x. So I simply added 4 in both the edges. So we got it their edges after 4 years. So after that the question is saying that the new ratio of their edges will be 3:4. So we had equated simply that 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. Sorry. Okay. Now 4 into 5x plus 4. Now just to do the cross multiplication. 4 is going to multiply it with 5x plus 4 and this 7x plus 4 will go to this side so that we can solve the equations. So just moving on. Now after the cross multiplication, that will be like 4 into 5x plus 4 and 3 into 7x plus 4. Now just solve these things. Do the multiplication. The 4 into 5 20x, 4 into 4 16 is equal to 3 into 7x, that is 21x. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now 16 minus 12 is equal to 21x. Now what I did, left the 16 over here only and just brought this 12 to this side. So it will become 16 minus 12, its sign will change, plus then minus, and now just brought this 20x from this side LHS to RHS and left this 21x there in the RHS only. So 21x minus 20x. So 16 minus 12, that is 4, and 21x minus 20x, that is x. So I think we had got our required solution of this question, that is therefore x is equal to 4. Now once we got the value of x, and since we had taken the edges of Hari and Harry in terms of x, so we can calculate their edges now. Therefore edge of Hari is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20 years, and edge of Harry, that is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So we got the answers of the questions what we are discussing. Let us discuss one more problem I had taken for you people, and the question is, rupees 13,500 are to be distributed among Neha, Kiran and Jennifer in such a way that Neha gets rupees 1,000 more than Kiran. Sorry, Neha gets 1,000 more than Kiran and Jennifer gets rupees 500 more than Kiran. It means Neha and Jennifer both are getting 1,000 and 500 rupees more than whatever amount the Kiran will have. So it means basically their amount is related to the amount of the Kiran. So our clue we had got that we'll have to first of all assume the money received by Kiran. So the question is asking find the money received by Jennifer. So we have to calculate that how much amount of money is received by Jennifer. So let us go for the solution now. Here is our solution. So the solution is like I had told you earlier only that since both the amounts received by Neha and Jennifer, it is related to the amounts of the Kiran. So that's why I had assumed let the amount of money received by Kiran be rupees X. Now therefore money received by Neha is equal to, according to the question, that is 1000 rupees more, so x plus 1000. Now money received by Jennifer, that is x 500 rupees more, so x plus 500. So now we had got the money of received by Kiran, Neha and Jennifer all. So what next? This all sum equal to 13,500. So let us do it. So x plus 1000 plus x plus 500 is equal to 13,500 according to the question. Now it's a very easy stuff. Now we just calculate the values and calculate, solve the equations and calculate the value of x. So x 3 times, that is 3x, and this 1000 plus 500, that is 1500, is equal to 13,500. Now 3x is equal to 13,500 minus 1500. Just bring this 1500 from LHS to RHS, so its sign will get changed from plus to minus. Okay, now 3x is equal to 13,500 minus 1500, that is 12,000. X is equal to, do the cross multiplication over here and you will get the values. So x is equal to 12,000 divided by 3, so that is 4,000. After the division we got the value, that is x is equal to 4,000. Okay, now therefore money received by Kiran is x, that is 4,000 rupees, and money received by Neha, that is rupees 4,000 plus 1,000, that is 5,000 rupees, and money received by Jennifer, that is rupees x plus 500, that is 4,000 plus 500, whole sum equals to 4,500 or 4,500. So that's it. We had got the values of all the variables and solved the equations also. I hope so you got it. Thank you for today's session. Now we'll see you in next class. Thank you once again.